in school, colleges, in any event or any gathering, we told that we have to speak up, try to express our opinions, and open up with the confidence. And we got little embarrassed when we tries to see anyone who is sharing very express and who is expressing freely in front of the people. So that is the case that happens to everyone, even if it happens, even it happens to me also. Once at a time, I was being told that, Aditi, please speak up. Just try to show up your with a confident attitude and try to release all your doubts, ask the questions. But the teacher and the school and the colleges or the people used to say this never taught this technique as how to master any communication, how to speak and open up freely in any conversation. So I want to teach you over here that, first of all, getting with all my self-help books, I try to know and find myself that I have to target my how over here, how to do it. So let's learn over here how to do it. First of all, you have to understand that you have to chalk out the knowledge, the purpose behind your information, that whatever you're conveying to the audience, that should be easily relatable to that. Okay. Next thing, you have to understand that what your audience, which in which age group your audience really are. If the age group is teenage, you have to understand that how they are struggling and what they are struggling with, the issues like job, financial issues, and relationships, and so on. Okay, so you have to just put your retrospective questions in front of them so that your audience could easily relate each and every information. Okay, present them with the facts and generalizations so that they can understand that this is really happened and how they can improve that in the future. Okay, that is the crucial thing in your speech. Next, you have to organize the speech like that you should be calm and composed and try to take the necessary process wherever required. Okay, just try to take the short breaths, understand everything what your audience really want to listen from you. Next thing, you have to understand that you have to keep your tone in a way like it should goes slightly. Okay, don't just take too many high pitches. Give yourself a pause and give it a slow relaxation. I know that you have understood how to master the communication, and whenever you speak, just try to solve out this how of any communication. You will understand that, uh, how you will prepare your speech. Bye bye.